Alright, welcome back to Marius Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be directing you how to set up FBD VPN application in all countries and on all networks. So, we request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to like this video, and to share this video to your friend. If you get any problem, just lodge the comment section. We are available to answer any type of question. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to come to the Google Play Store, and then we come where we search from, and we search FBD VPN Pro. This is the VPN application I was talking about, the FBD VPN Pro. This VPN application, I really like what it does. I really appreciate, because this VPN application is one of my best, one of my favorites, because it works in all countries. Talk of Uganda, talk of Zimbabwe, talk of Kenya, talk of Pakistan, talk of Congo, talk of any country. Just know it works. One of my favorites in my playlist. So download this VPN application. After downloading it, open the VPN application. But this is a disclaimer that this tutorial is purposely for educational purposes and informational purposes only. We are not answerable, we are not reliable to what this VPN application will give you. So use at your own risk. Make sure you follow up the local laws and community guidelines. So you're going to do in the children to keep up with the important updates like the tricks and the others. So I'm going to check later for a moment. This is what you're going to do. You're going to come right here, top left corner. We have those 4 dots, the menu bars, and then you're going to come where we have check for updates. The second last, the last is Telegram, but the second last, this one, check for updates. You're going to check for updates of the VPN application, and then you're going to wait for a few seconds for this VPN application to load. Just know it's one of the best VPN application right now, one of the trending. So you're going to check the autos. You're going to come right here. We have the auto server. Please help us and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this video and share it to your friend. I'm going to check the auto server, and then I have a few comments that you can choose a server that is near to your location. Mainly those in Saudi Arabia, you can be using the server that you see that is near to your location. But in other countries, let us be using the auto server. And you're going to come here. We have the Oro networks, or Oro network, and then I'm going to come here where you have Oro trick, and then I wait for a few moments. I'm going to choose this trick, which is Oro network FR UDP, and then I connect to this one. Let us wait for a few moments for this application to connect. As you see, it is getting started, but make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, share this video to your friend. Let us wait for it. Since it is a new VPN, it is connecting. Let's wait for a few moments for this application to work. Maybe let us try changing the server and we'll see. Sorry, I meant We're going to be using this one. This one connects. Thank you guys for following. I'm Maurice Tech. Don't forget to subscribe.